Hey everyone, this is a quick guide for part 3 of your brochure. For today, it's going to be pretty simple. We're just going to focus on music and exports. Exports are things that the country makes a lot of, that it sells on a large scale to the rest of the world, kind of how it makes some of its money. So for music, if you notice, I gave mine a little bit of a background. I kind of gave my text box a little bit of color, so I did make it look nice. How did I search it up? Well, for traditional music, meaning music that is kind of like old or from the very long time ago, you want to search traditional music. So I have Ukraine, so I search traditional Ukraine music. But if you had Kenya, you might say traditional Kenyan music. And then you'll get a bunch of different videos. So you want to find something that says something about it being traditional music from your country, and you already know how to link it. For modern music, for music that's kind of out today, my suggested search for you is to search music from, put your country there. Let's just say we had Egypt, and we'll just say 2019 because that was like a full year of music and it's not that long ago. And it'll give you a bunch of artists that are performing. You might get some music videos right away. You can get like whole articles about different Egyptian artists. So all you have to do is find one. You will put a video from that artist into your slideshow, and if you can, see if you can find a picture of them. So for example, let's just say you're doing Egypt and you found this artist, Baba, or Muhammad Ramadan. So maybe you can just Google him and see if he has a Wikipedia page, or maybe he is also an actor, so you can give me a picture of what he looks like. He's a singer, right? And then there's maybe a picture of him. But you get the point. You can copy and paste this image if you need to into your slide. All right? So that's music. And then for exports, again, export is something that your country sells to the rest of the world, and I want you guys to learn what kind of things Africa is actually providing to the rest of us. Well, for this one, we're going to use that CAA fact book again. So we're going to go to our fact book. We're going to go to our fact book. We're going to pick our country. We're not doing Mexico. So we go to our fact book. Let's just say you're doing a country, for example, let's just say you're doing Nigeria. That's a country in Africa. You would go and you would scroll down to where you see economy, and then you're going to scroll down until you see something called exports. Okay? That's basically the things that they sell. So here they are. We have petroleum products, we have cocoa, and there we have rubber. So you would then put those into your slide, and then I want you to find a picture for at least one of them. So for example, for mine, it's kind of hard to find pictures of chemicals, so I just gave you metal. But if you're doing something like Nigeria, and you can find pictures of raw cocoa and raw rubber and raw oil, then you would include them into your slide. So that's it. That's all you're doing for today. And just a helpful hint, if you ever want to increase the size and want to see more of your slide, well, one thing you can click this arrow. That gives you a little bit more space. You can also drag this thing down over here, and then it also creates a little bit of a bigger slide. So that's it for today. Good luck, and if you have any questions, please ask.